Be careful, do not fall. Kitty. Kitty. Kitty.
I'm gonna get you to go back down. What do you think? Dad, do you think we still have a power way, a basement? Because I think it's going all the way top.
Well, we're going to have to go down and go in the other way. We're going to have to go in the other way, buddy.
And the dad's inside the garage?
Yeah, he's supposed to be. Watch out.
So, Dad, that's what? He's
Huh?
been hiding over up there?
Yeah, he's up there.
This one's the attic.
Yeah, this one's the attic.
If we're going up, I'm going to pan it.
Yeah, you're going to go up, but you're going to come after me. Come on, kitty. You want to get up here and see if you can see him?
Yeah.
Come on. Climb up and shine your light and see if you can see him. Poke your head in there with the light and look at him.
Yeah.
Can you see him?
Yeah. He's going that way.
He is?
Yeah.
Okay, well let me go get some gloves and I'll get him down out of there.
He's scared of the lights.
No, he's not. Climb up and look at him some more. Talk to him. Call him kitty. He'll come.
Hey, kitty, come down. Okay, I'm going back down.
Okay, go down.
The cat's over there. Cat's over there.
Okay. Well, I'm going to put on this other coat because I'm going to need it because he's going to scratch my arms if I don't.
What if he bites you? Up with you.
What I need you to do is I need you to get ready to open the front door. Huh? What are you grinning about?
I don't know. I don't know. The cat, he wants the cat out of here so that
Hi, kitty.
then he can't get down.
Hi, kitty,
then
kitty.
he can't beat.
Okay, move, Brian. Open the door. Open the door. Open the door. Open the door. Again, don't let it in. Come here, kitty.
Dad, you hurt his ear. He's saying ow because he hurt your ear. You gotta apologize.
Oh, I'm sorry, kitty.